Well, hello everybody. Welcome back, and it's Sunday. We got new coupons and new deals. Let's have a look, because you know you want to know. And I'm all about telling you. uh, Before we proceed, let's go ahead and get the business out of the way. Like the video, please. Leave a comment, please. Let the video play all the way to the end, please. And thank you. I love you bunches. That's so important, including those ads. Even if you got to cut the sound off. I just appreciate you being here. And like I said, leave a comment. Because I want to know what you're up to. You're my friends. No, really. So please and thank you, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed yet, hey, come on in. What are you waiting for? I give you deals every day. And not just the same deals as everybody else. Here we're unique. And if we ain't nothing else, we're full of variety. So come on in if you want to feel good and get a deal. Go ahead and subscribe. Do it now. That way you won't forget. Now, everybody, thank you, Miss Brenda, for the thank you tab little donation thing. Super thanks. That's what that's called. So anybody who did a super thanks, Miss Brenda, thank you. Or did a Cash App, and I haven't caught it yet, thank you very much. You can do that to help support the channel, and it's wonderful of you. God bless you. Okay? And speaking of that, our last few videos have made it, except for the last one, as the view count has gone up. So I'm claiming it, guys. Help me claim it. Claim it with me. All of our videos are going to have 1,000 views. I claim that. Why? Because it helps everybody. It lifts your spirits when we save things that we work so hard for. So, I'm claiming 1,000 views per video. You guys help me do it by sharing. Alright, guys. Okay, what do we got today? For the week, we got Coke products, and we got a $2 off coupon. And I did a video showing you a little creative couponing, getting ready to purchase these items. I did some 5 off 25 scenarios yesterday that had some earns in them, and I'm going to apply those earns to this deal. So I don't need another 5 off 25. I've got some earn money. I actually have $11 in earned money from yesterday in 2 transactions, and I'm going to spend it on this. So it's going to have $2 more off. So 13 from 15, I'll pay $2 for 3 12-packs. Winner, yes. Alrighty. Now, what else we got going on here? 4 for 14, we got a coupon for that. $4 off. It'd be 4 for 10. If I was a Pepsi drinker, that would be free for me. But I'm not a Pepsi drinker or a Mountain Dew drinker, because the coupon's for Mountain Dew. Now, the Powerade 3 for 3, it's hot, guys. So, if you go outside, get you some Powerade while it's on sale. That's pretty much buying 2 and getting 1 for free. And speaking of getting something for free, the chips are back, guys. Buy 2, get 2 free. The chips and the dip. The Tostitos and the Fritos and the Cheetos and the cheese dips. Or, well, they call them cream dips is what they call them. So you can get 2 chips and 2 dips and have nachos. A big bunch of nachos for a lot of people because the weather's hot and you don't want to cook a lot. Or you can do Fritos and do Frito pie. If you don't know what Frito pie is, well, all you need is a can of your favorite chili, some Fritos, some cheese, and a big dip of sour cream, and you got you some Frito pie. Gatorade, 3 for 4, still on sale. Good deal. We got Wonder Buns, $3.25. You got a 25-cent earn on those. The Armor Jumbo Meat or Cheese Hot Dogs, $2.50. I'm not sure how much they are normally. They don't list the price. That usually means it's the original price. But maybe not, because Edie's is usually $4 and change. It's on sale for $3.95. We've got $2 coupon for Persil. And since I got my Snuggle this last time, I'll be picking up my Persil for $3.50. We got our gain deal. We'll have to see if we can actually make a gain deal this time. If we got enough manufactured coupons. We've got Downy $10.95 for the Downy Calm beads, the Downy softeners. Leaves $8.95 out of pocket, but we've got a pretty decent deal on the $15 new product that we've seen on the shelf. So double dip. We'll talk about that too in just a minute. $2 on any 10 of these. We got a 45-cent coupon, or 25 cents, excuse me. All right. Ha 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 ha. We got still the buy 2 get 1 free, and we got a save 3 when you spend 10 still on the Pure Leaf and Lipton. So the sale is buy 2 get 1 free. These are $7.50 a piece. So if you've got 2 of these, you'll get 3, and you will only be spending $11. We've got urns for some of these Tyson chicken products. $3 on the Borden single cheeses. We got 75-cent urns on that. 2 for $6 on the Keebler cookies. 2 for $7 on the Nabisco. And of course, we got our Nabisco $3 off when you spend $9. We also have these dollar Legos individuals. So if you're going on a camping trip and you want to do something like that, you can get these, throw them in your cooler. All you got to do is warm them up in the skillet, guys. You just put some butter in the skillet, use them like a pancake. We have coupons for the Folgers. We don't have a whole lot going on. That same $2 working on the big Persil. We've got a $1 off digital on some Crest products, and I think it is going to attach to one of the Crest on the dollar aisle, so give that one a try. We've got a new $2 off on some Colgate. We still have the Colgate Instant Savings deal going on, so that would help you with that. We do have the $2 on the Febreze still. And then we've got a save 10 when you spend 40 on Kimberly Clark products. So it's a save 10 like now. Looks like it. And looks like Scott is a Kimberly Clark product. And Viva. And Poise. And you have a $2 off on Poise. Pull-ups, diapers, Cottonelle. Well, we've got coupons for Huggies, Cottonelle, Scott. I think we have coupons for pull-ups and Poise. And Kotex U. I think we might have some coupons for that. I have to check that out. So that might be a big deal one. And then, of course, we already talked about our sodas. There's our instant savings still on our Scott products. So, maybe a double dip going on there. We're going to have to check that one out. And then we got the 3 for $3 body armor. Again, help you stay hydrated. 3 for $6 on the Dr. Pepper. We have the instant savings on the Colgate products when you spend $15. But they've expanded. You've got Suavitel, Hello, Ajax, Murphy's Oil Soap, Speed Stick, Colgate, of course, Irish Spring, and Soft Soap. So a bigger list there on that one. Okay, guys, like I said, we're gonna investigate this and see if we can do a grand old double dip. But in the meantime, let's talk about your daily deal for today because it's a double dip. Could be a run deal just because of the lack of product. So let's have a look. First deal we want to look at is this buy two for $6 on your Purex liquid or your pods that are $4 a piece. It's a DG store coupon. We got a manufactured earn of $1.50 with a limit of 2. Yes. So you're going to be paying $3 for 2 of these Purexes. So like I said, this is a definite run deal. $1.50 a bottle. Run. Your next up, your double dip as well on some of those Unstoppables that I showed you in the store video. You got a $1.55 manufacturer coupon and a $2 store coupon. That's $3.55 coming off of a $10.95 purchase, guys. So winner, chicken dinner there. Now we also have a $4 store coupon on the big ones, the $15 Unstoppables. The $1.55 is attaching to that store coupon as well. It's going to make that $8 and change. Yeah, so you might want to go for this one instead. $5.55. It's going to make it $10 and change, guys. $10 and change. So you might want to do that one as well. Oh, hold it up. We got 2 different store coupons. One for 4 and one for 3. So, you could actually, and the one for 4 is for one of these. And the one for 3 is for one of these, but both are store coupons. But you can do both of these in separate transactions, okay? So if you wanted to pick up 2 of these, and if you were to use that second $3 on those pods, I would definitely use that second one on a 5 off 25 scenario to get the price down even further. You've also got a $1.05 coupon attaching to the $5.75 Tide Pod 16 pack. And lastly, we've got another Purex deal. This is 2 for $10. It is a digital coupon. It is working on those Snuggles. Okay, and you have one $2 earn that will attach to these Snuggles that are $6. But it's a limit of 1. So, for 2 for $8 is what you'd end up paying for both of those Snuggle crystals, the larger ones, if you used it that way. So several laundry deals to pick and choose from. Stay tuned. We're going to have scenarios with all of them. I love you bunches. I'll see you next video. And blessings.